The next problem that we take under the type 2 integral 2x minus 1 by x squared minus 3x minus 4 into dx. Now, as usual, put 2x plus 1 numerator. 2x minus 1 is equal to k into differentiation of the denominator 2x minus 3 plus L. Then comparing the quotients of x, that is what, compare x, we get 2 is equal to 2k, therefore k is equal to 1. Now put x is equal to 0. Then minus 1 is equal to minus 3k plus L. Therefore, k value is substituted as 1. Minus 3, it comes here, plus 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. Instead of doing all these things, we can directly also do it. Integral, say 2x minus 1 we want. So 2x minus 3, because 2x minus 3 you have written, we have to add 2, and so that it becomes 2x minus 1. Directly you can do it. Otherwise, k is equal to 1 and L is equal to 2. Divided by x squared minus 3x minus 4. So term by term you divide 2x minus 3 by this one. 2x minus 3 by x squared minus 3x minus 4 into dx. Then plus 2 into 2 by this one. 2 into, that is 2 you have taken outside as a factor. Denominator is what? X squared minus 3x minus 4. Here differentiation of denominator is there in the numerator. That is, if you put t is equal to x squared minus 3x minus 4, this becomes dt. So it becomes dt by t is what? Log t. That is a log of the denominator. Remember, whenever differentiation of the denominator is there in the numerator, it becomes a log of the denominator. Plus this becomes the type of the problem, and that is what you get 2 as it is, integral dx by x squared minus 3x. That is, x quotient of x is what? Minus 3. Minus 3 by 2. Half of that one is what? Minus 3 by 2. So x minus 3 by 2 whole squared minus 4. And then what you have added, when you expand it, 9 by 4 you have added. So you have to subtract 9 by 4. So minus 9 by 4. So every time instead of writing this one, ditto plus 2 into integral dx by x minus 3 by 2 x minus 3 by 2 whole squared minus 4 minus 9 by 4. So minus 16 minus 9 minus 25 by 4 is what? Minus 5 by 2 whole squared. Same thing, we can write ditto here, plus 2 into x square minus a squared is what? 1 by 2a, 2 into 5 by 2 into log of, you get x minus a by x plus a. X minus 3 by 2 minus 5 by 2 by x minus 3 by 2 plus 5 by 2 and then plus c. Now here this 2 and this 2 cancel, and you get, now write the complete thing, log of x squared minus 3x minus 4 plus 2 by 5 into log of minus 3 by 2 minus 5 by 2 is minus 8 by 2 is what? Minus 4. X minus 4 by x plus 1 plus c. Now take fourth problem. Integral 5x plus 1 by 3 minus 2x minus x squared into dx. As usual, numerator is equal to 5x plus 1 is equal to k into differentiation of denominator. That is what? Minus 2 minus 2x plus L. Now compare x. Then left hand side is what? 5. Here k into minus 2x is what? Minus 2k. Therefore k is equal to minus 5 by 2. Now put x is equal to 0 and left hand side is 1, right hand side is minus 2k plus L. K value if you write minus 5 by 2, 2 cancels, minus 5, it comes this side, plus 5, 5 plus 1 is 6. L is equal to 6. So we replace the numerator by writing k, that is what? Minus 5 by 2 into minus 2 minus 2x plus L, that is what? Plus 6 into dx by the same denominator, 3 minus 2x minus x squared. So this minus 5 by 2 take as a factor and then write minus 2 minus 2x into dx by 3 minus 2x minus x squared, and then L value is what? 6. Say this is 6 we have to write. So plus 6 we also take out. Integral dx by 3 minus 2x minus x squared. So here the first expression, differentiation of denominator you can find in the numerator. So it is what? Log of minus 5 by 2 log of 3 minus 2x minus x squared plus 6 into integral dx by 3 I keep and take a minus sign outside. So here x squared minus 2x. So now this denominator, this first expression you write ditto plus 6 into integral dx by, keep 3 a little gap, minus quotient of x is minus 1. This can be written as x minus 1 whole squared. Quotient of x is minus 2, half of that one is minus 1 whole squared. Totally you have subtracted 1, so add 1 here. Now that gap is filled up like that. So next step is what? Minus 5 by 2 into ditto, then plus 6 into integral dx by 2 squared minus x minus 1 whole squared. Now that expression is written as once again ditto plus 6 into log of a squared minus x squared. 1 by 2a log of 1 by 2a, 2 into 2 into log of a plus x, that is what? 2 plus x minus 1 by 2 minus x minus 1, 2 minus x plus 1 plus c. Here 1 2 cancels with this one, 3 here. So now write minus 5 by 2 into log of 3 minus 2x minus x squared plus 3 by 2 log of, this is what? 1 plus x, here 3 plus 3 minus x, and then plus c. Now we take third type problems. Type 3. Say when instead of having a quadratic expression in the denominator, if it is in the radical, that is what? In the square root. Suppose ax squared plus bx plus c. If the square root is there, we use the formula, integral dx by root of a squared minus x squared is equal to sine inverse x by a plus c. Next one is what? Integral dx by root of a squared plus x squared is there. You write sine h inverse x by a, and then we can use dx by root of x squared minus a squared is there. Cos h inverse x by a. So we take some simple problems where quotient of x is 0, and they are like this. Let's say first problem, integral dx by root of 9 minus 4x squared. Quotient of x squared is there. Quotient of x squared you take as a factor, not with minus sign, with only 4. That is what? 1 by 2 integral dx by root of, here 9 by 4 it becomes, 9 by 4 is what? 3 by 2 whole squared minus x squared. And that is nothing but 1 by 2. A squared minus x squared is it? Sine inverse x by 3 by 2 plus c. Or that can be written as 1 by 2 sine inverse 2x by 3 plus c. And we take the next problem, integral dx by root of 25 plus x squared. 25 plus x squared can be written as integral dx by root of 5 squared plus x squared. A squared plus x squared means what? Sine h inverse. Sine h inverse x by 5 plus c. And then the next, we can leave it here. So we take more problems later on.